Hey guys, David Plummer here from Aerial Influence. Wanted to send out a big thank you to everybody that came by this weekend on Saturday for our grand opening. You really made the event special for us. We had everyone from community leaders to police and fire departments, to farmers, to engineers, to drone enthusiasts who were here to see what Aerial Influence and DJI has to offer their business, their community, or their farm. We even had a great visit from the folks at the Elgin Police Department. We've been working with them for quite a while. We helped them get their drone department off the ground. They have a Matrice 210 that we sold them a while back, and they let us know that they just used it to help save a man's life. He apparently was suffering from diabetic shock. They were able to find him using the thermal drone that we sold them, the Matrice 210, along with the XT thermal camera. We are so happy to be a part of that. So thank you guys for all the work you do, and thank you for coming to Aerial Influence and just letting us be a part of that. It's a very cool thing. All right, and now the moment you have all been eagerly awaiting. If you were here on Saturday, you entered to win a free DJI Mavic Pro, and we're about to find out who's taking home that prize. So here we go, drum roll. Make sure it's fair, put my hand in, all right, not looking, spin the hand. Chase Hoffman. Chase, congrats. This is a really sweet little machine. You're gonna have a lot of fun, as long as you're safe, of course. All right, thank you guys so much for coming out on Saturday if you were here. If not, you can come by anytime. We're in Elgin, Illinois, just west of Chicago. So please come see us. Check out our information on the screen right now, and we will see you next time.